Meanwhile, Rivers State Governor Siminialayi Fubara has proclaimed the first session of the 10th Assembly of the Rivers State House of Assembly shortly after he dissolved the 9th Assembly. Governor Fubara acted within the powers conferred on him by Section 105, subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria as amended. Speaking to the lawmakers, Governor Fubara said he signed and proclaimed the 10th Assembly at 10 a.m. on the 5th day of June.
Whereas it is provided in Section 105, subsection 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, that the person elected as governor shall have the power to issue a proclamation for the holding of the first section of the State Assembly immediately after his being sworn in. Now, therefore, I, Siminialayi Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, in exercise of the powers bestowed upon me by Section 105, subsection 3, as aforesaid, and of all other powers enabling me in that behalf, hereby proclaim that the first section of the 10th Rivers State Assembly holds 10:00 a.m.
The Rivers State House of Assembly has elected the lawmaker representing Obiakpo Constituency 1, Martin Amawule, as the Speaker of the 10th Assembly. Also elected was lawmaker representing Kogana Constituency, Dumle Mayo, as Deputy Speaker. Speaker Amawule, while speaking shortly after the oath of office, promised a top-class assembly that will come up with legislations that will stand the test of time. He also announced that the 10th Assembly will be a unifying factor while ensuring that all they will do is to the benefit of the states.
This is the 10th Assembly of Rivers State. It is a time for us to rely on the legacies of the past administration and ensure that we do better things in the years to come. The whole lot is required of us. Rivers people want the dividends of democracy that we witnessed in the last administration to continue, and for even more to come to our various communities, various constituencies, from Akodwa to Oyibo, from Obiakpo to Port Harcourt City, from Eche to Ahoda, from Asaritoro to Boni, from Anthony to Bolo, constituency by constituency. We will have to relieve the trust from our people. I want to say that the task ahead of us is enormous.
Respondent Director Tams Morrison reports that Martin Amawule, who is in his 4th term, was unanimously voted for by all members present.